Hello, my name is Taylor Enos, and I'm going to be going over my eportfolio that I have made in Instructional Technology 370 in fall 2018. And this website will display some of my artifacts that I've created throughout the 370 course. Some softwares that I use to create these artifacts are listed as follows, and that is Snip, Erasma, Photoshop, iMovie, Powtoon, PhotoStory, TimeToast, Screencast-O-Matic, and Mindomo. A little about me would be that I'm originally from Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. I'm a senior at JMU pursuing a bachelor's in business management. And after graduation in May 2019, I will be moving to the Northern Virginia area where I will begin my career as a client success advisor at Cvent. And this is a little brief overview of some of the artifacts that I created. First being the snipping tool, which was one of our first projects, which has been useful as I did other projects throughout this semester. Erasma was very interesting as it allowed me to create interactive images, which I've always been wanting to be able to do that. Photoshop was one of my favorites that we worked with this semester just because I believe it could be used in both a professional and fun setting. The movie trailer using iMovie was also a favorite because we were able to work with other classmates in the 370 course, and I have also never used iMovie before this project. Powtoon was one of my favorites as well, just because I believe it's a very effective way to use and instruct material to students, so I think it'll be very effective and useful in the future. PhotoStory was one software that I did have experience with in the past, so using it again, I got to explore new elements of the software. The TimeToast timeline that I used to create the history of instructional technology actually became very useful because I was able to use this timeline software in another project in one of my other courses. My favorite project of this semester was the College P21 project that we did because we also got to work with our teammates on this, and I think it was a very fun and unique task. And then the Mindomo concept map was also a very new software to me, but navigating it became fairly easy and I enjoyed using it. And then screencasting was the first time using Screencast-O-Matic, and since then I have been able to use this software multiple times, especially in this class I was able to apply this software to other projects, not just the screencasting one as well. Thank you for your time, and I really enjoyed my experience in LE 370 this semester.